Welcome to Home of Math, Part 7, Exercise 1.5, Class 6, Mathematics. Today's question: the product of two fractions is 48 1 by 8 if one of the fractions is 1 13 by 32. Find out the other. So first we can write this is answer given product of two fraction equals to 48 1 by 8. The product of two fraction. One fraction equal what? 1 13 by 32. Look, both are mixed fraction. So 48 1 by 8 we can write, or we can multiply 48 times 8 plus 1. So it will be 385 divide 8, right? And fraction 1 13 by 32, 1 13 by 32, or we can write the denominator is 32, 32 times 1 plus 13, it will be 45. Okay, now let the other fraction equals fraction be x. So we can write, so one fraction is x, or we can write one fraction is 45 by 32 times x equals to what? 385 by 8, because two product of fraction equals to 385 by 8. So we have to find out the value of x. So we can write x equals to, here is 385 divide 8, then times this 32 will become numerator and denominator will be 45. Okay, now look, this one we can 32 divided by 8, so here is 4 and here is 1, and look, 385 and 45 we can divide by 5, so 45 divided by 5 it will be 9, and here is 3 7s are 35, so 7, and carry 38 minus 35, so 3 5 again 7. So here is 7 times 4 is 28, so 8, 7 times 4 is 28 plus 2 30, so 308 divide 9 is our answer. So this is a mixed fraction, we can write 308 divide 9, so here is a 3 times 9 is a 27, then 0 which means 10 minus 7 it will be 3, and here is 8, and then 4 times 9 is a 36, so 8 minus 6 is a 2. So our answer is 35 to divide 9. This is our answer, or we can say another fraction equals to 34 2 by 9. So this is our part 7, number 7. So fraction word problem till we have two math, which we will continue by parts 8 and 9. So till then, take care and take practice at home. Please subscribe my channel if you think this video is helping you. Thank you.